Hello to all, welcome to the channel Money's Gate Tech Vision. In this lecture, we will discuss some verbal ability questions for the general aptitude in the GATE examination. Basically, in the verbal ability, we have three topics. Basic English grammar, that is parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection that we need to know about. And then vocabulary. Synonyms means meanings, antonyms, opposites, and proper use of idioms and phrases in a sentence that we need to know. And third part is comprehension and narrative sequencing. Comprehension is a passage type, and narrative means poetry type sequencing is there. So one passage or poetry will be given. From that questions will be given. We have to choose the options. So these are the three main topics in the verbal ability. Let me discuss some questions from GATE 2022 paper. I'll read the question. As you grow older, an injury to your dash may take longer to dash. So here 4 options are given: heal or heal, heal or heal, and heal or heal. So here two heals are there. The spelling is different. H-E-A-L heal, H-E-E-L heal. So first we need to know the meaning of both. First, H-E-E-L heel. Heel is the back part of the foot below the ankle. So this is a body part. And then heal, H-E-A-L. H-E-A-L means cure or recover. So with that meaning, we can choose the option. I will read again. As you grow older, an injury to your dash. So it may be body part. So H-E-E-L is the correct one. May take longer to heal. May take longer to cure. So we can select HEAL. So first option HEAL, second option HEAL. So option D is the correct one. Heal and heal. First is HEAL, back part of the foot, and HEAL is cure. So this is the answer for the first question. And then like that, we will discuss second question. Mr. X speaks dash Japanese dash Chinese. Okay. Here 4 options are given: neither or, either nor, neither nor, also but. So first we need to know about these combinations: neither or either nor, neither nor, also but. So I will take some examples for neither. Neither should accompany with nor always. For example, this is the sentence: Raja went neither to school nor to home. So what is the meaning? He didn't go to school and also he didn't go to home. Neither to school nor to home. Neither should accompany with nor in a sentence. So that is the meaning. And then either. So let me take either. If either comes, it should accompany with or. For example, Vijay wants to wear either pant or kurta. So he can select either of choice. He can select either pant or kurta. Okay. So either should accompany with or. So this is the example for that. And then what are the other option? Also but is there. So when it will come, this but also, it should accompany with not only. For example, Raman is not only silent but also studious. Not only silent but also studious. So this but also, it should accompany with not only. Not only should accompany with but also. So that we need to know. So with these meanings, we can choose the options. So here neither or combination is wrong. Either nor combination is wrong. Neither nor combination is correct one. Neither should accompany with nor only. So we have to select from these two options. Let me read the question again. Mr. X speaks dash Japanese dash Chinese. So one person cannot speak 2 languages. Okay. So either or combination is not there. So we can select neither nor combination. Mr. X speaks neither Japanese nor Chinese. So option C is the correct one. Neither Japanese nor Chinese. So let me go for the next question. Like that. Inhaling the smoke from a burning dash could dash you quickly. So here the options are given: T-I-R-E, tire, and T-I-E-R, tire, and T-Y-R-E. 3 words are given with the different combinations. Here tire plus tire, here tire plus tire, tire plus tire, and tire plus tire. So we need to select these options. So first we need to know the meanings of this. Tire, T-I-R-E. What is the meaning of that? Becoming tired, becoming feeling asleep, become in need of rest or asleep. That is the meaning. We are getting tired, that like that. And then tire. We know about the tire. A rubber covering surrounds the wheel. That is a tire. Tire. Tire means one of a series of rows placed one above or behind the other. So one is tied with the other. One object is tied with the other. Like that, we can make the sentence. So one of a series of rows. Number of objects when placed together means that one of the object can be taken as tire. So with these three meanings, we can choose the option. Inhaling the smoke from a burning tire. So it should be a rubber covering surrounds the wheel. So TYRE is the first option, first dash. And could dash you quickly. Could dash you quickly. Could tired you quickly. So we can make TYRE first option, and second filling the blanks is TIRE. So inhaling the smoke from a burning tire could tire you quickly. So option C is the correct one. And let me solve for question number 4. Writing too many things on the dash while teaching could make the students get dash. So here two combinations are given. One is board, other one is board. So we know about the board and board also. We know the meanings of both. Bored means state of tiredness or depressed. We are getting bored like that. So board means it is a material, it is a blackboard or a green board. It is a material in which anything can be written. If it is a computer board means anything can be, any data can be entered like that. So let me choose the option for this. Writing too many things on the dash. So we can select board while teaching. On the board while teaching could make the students get very bored. BORED. So first option is board. Second option is second filling the blanks is board. So we can select the answer option B. First is board, other one is board. And then question number 5. So this is the passage type of question. First I will read the passage. Altruism is the human concern for the well-being of others. Altruism has been shown to be motivated more by social bonding, familiarity, and identification of belongingness to a group. The notion that altruism may be attributed to empathy or guilt has now been rejected. Which one of the following is the correct logical inference based on the information in the above passage? So, altruism. So, here one term is given, altruism. It is the human concern for the well-being of others. So, with this sentence itself, we can make altruism is a non-selfish concern. Altruist means non-selfish person. So he will consider altruist is the person who considers others' feelings like that. So here altruism has been shown to be motivated more by social bonding. So three lines are given: more by social bonding, familiarity, and identification of belongingness to a group. Okay. So here, so let me discuss the meanings of all the things. Empathy. So here in the four options, they have given the options for the guilt and empathy. Here also empathy and familiarity. We know about the familiarity, empathy and guilt. And here group identification and empathy. So we need to select for that from the passage. First, empathy means ability of understanding and share. Ability of understanding others' feelings and share the feelings. And then guilt, guilty conscious. A feeling of having something done wrong. So this is the guilt. And then notion. Notion means an idea or belief. So let me choose the option. Let me check out for first option. Humans engage in altruism due to guilt but not empathy. Here, see here, altruism is motivated by social bonding, familiarity and identification of belongingness to a group. See the last sentence, the notion. Notion means idea. The notion that altruism may be attributed to empathy or guilt has now been rejected. Has now been rejected. So, let me mark out this has now been rejected. So, due to empathy or guilt has now been rejected. So, we cannot select two options. Now, it is not due to empathy, it is not due to guilt. So, let me check out for the options. Let me check out for the options. Here, humans engage in altruism due to guilt but not empathy. So, here in the sentence, both are rejected. A sentence they have given like both empathy and guilt, empathy or guilt has now been rejected. So, due to guilt is wrong. This due to guilt is wrong one. Due to guilt is, due to guilt is wrong one. So, let me cross out the first option. Let me check out for the second option. Humans engage in altruism due to empathy but not guilt. So here both the options due to empathy is also wrong. So we can cross out the next option also. And let me check out for the third option. Humans engage in altruism due to group identification but not empathy. Not empathy is correct one. And we have to check out for group identification, due to group identification. So here again we read the passage. Altruism has been motivated more by social bonding, familiarity and identification of belongingness to a group. So identification of belongingness to a group is nothing but group identification. Okay, so this group identification, it is a right one. This group identification, it is a right one. Group identification but not empathy, it is the correct one. So let me check out for the other option also. Humans engage in altruism due to empathy but not familiarity. So here they have given due to empathy. So we can make out this as wrong itself. Familiarity is correct one, but due to empathy is the wrong one. Due to empathy is the wrong one. So option A, B and D are wrong. Option C is the correct one. Humans engage in altruism due to group identification but not empathy. So which is green in color, that is the correct option. So we can make out like this. But first we need to understand the meaning of all the words and then we need to answer for the given passage. So let me read the other passage. The mosquitoes pose a threat to human health. Controlling mosquitoes using chemicals may have undesired consequences. In Florida, authorities have used genetically modified mosquitoes to control the overall mosquito population. It remains to be seen if this novel approach has unforeseen consequences. Which one of the following is the correct logical information? Logical inference based on the information in the above passage. So let me read. So here, let me mark out the important points. Mosquitoes pose a threat to human health. So here they have used two methods for controlling mosquitoes. First, chemicals have been used. These chemicals gave undesired sequences. In Florida, they used genetically modified mosquitoes. Two methods have been used to control mosquitoes. One is using chemicals, other one is using genetically modified mosquitoes to control the mosquitoes. So, using chemicals, they faced undesired consequences. And using genetically modified mosquitoes, they have faced unforeseen consequences. It remains to be seen if this novel approach has unforeseen consequences. So let me understand the meaning of that. Undesired means objectionable. Objectionable sequences. It should be avoided because someone using that chemicals, someone will face some breathing problem itself. That we know. So that's the objectionable sequences. And using genetically modified mosquitoes has unforeseen consequences. Unforeseen means it means unexpected sequences, unexpected consequences. So with this we can select the options. So first we will read the first option. Using chemicals to kill mosquitoes is better than using genetically modified mosquitoes because genetic engineering is dangerous. So see the passage. They have given two methods, and they have given the consequences only in the two methods. So they didn't give which is better, which is dangerous, like that. So this better than is, it's wrong only. This better than, they have, they didn't compare the two methods, and also they didn't specify it is dangerous. So this option is wrong one. Okay. And then see the next option, using genetically modified mosquitoes is better than using chemicals. So here, here also they didn't compare the two methods, and also they didn't tell about side effects. So this is also wrong one. And here see the third option, that is a C option, both using genetically modified mosquitoes and chemicals have undesired sequences and can be dangerous. So have undesired consequences only, but the dangerous is not specified in the passage. So this option C is also wrong one. And see the last option, using chemicals to kill mosquitoes, using chemicals to kill mosquitoes may have undesired sequences. Okay, this is correct one. Undesired sequences, and but it is not clear, but it is not clear if using genetically modified mosquitoes has any negative consequences. So, but it is not clear. So, here also it remains to be seen if this novel approach has unforeseen consequences. So, we may take it as, but it is not clear, unforeseen, but it is not clear. So, we may relate these words. So, has negative consequences. So, this option should be the correct one. Okay, option D should be the correct one for this passage. So like this, we need to answer for the given question. Thank you very much for watching the video. This is my mail ID. You can mail to me. Thank you very much.